Hello everyone and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this really lovely little Volkswagen Polo SE. This one is registered in December 2018, so it's just coming up to 4 years old now. It's on a 68 plate. That means it's going to go in for its second MOT, and because we require at least 9 months MOT when we send out a used car on the approved use scheme, that means you're going to get a full 11 to 12 months MOT on this vehicle. So it's the SE model, so it comes with things such as the 15-inch Sasari alloy wheels. This one is in deep black pearlescent paintwork. It's hard to tell on a greyish day. Like now it looks very sleek anyway, but on a sunny day you can really see it sparkle. I'll take you inside. Inside it's got features such as DAB radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So really great. As you can see, it's some really low mileage as well. 16,284. Would be expecting anywhere between 25 and 40,000 miles for a Polo of this age, so that's excellent. We'll give it a full valet for you as well before you do take it. As you can see, it's got auto lights as well, LED daytime running lights and full LED rear tinted tail lamps. Lovely light headlining means it's nice and bright. You've also got 2 sets of ISOFIX points in the back of this car. Like I say, full valet will be taken care of for you before you do take the car. It's also under our 142 point check, so that means we'll check everything from brakes, clutch, gearbox, engine, tyres, making sure that everything is within the Volkswagen standards. We can't actually send it out if it's not covered, all of these. So it is really strict process. As you can see there, you've got a spare wheel. It doesn't look like that one's ever been used. But you do have 2 years roadside assistance as well with this car. So the 2 years Volkswagen approved use scheme is absolutely excellent. So if you do purchase the car before January, you will have all of those benefits included. Afterwards, it's going to be 1 year. So it's the best time now is to get the approved used Volkswagen, as you get them benefits. It is an excellent scheme, and you do obviously keep all them benefits, like I say, if you buy it before January. But it just saves you a lot of money and gives you a lot of peace of mind as well that you'd get from a newer car. Maybe, I mean, this is a 4-year-old car. If you'd get it elsewhere, you might not even get a year warranty with it. You might get 3 months to 6 months. So 2 years is excellent, and is a huge benefit of the approved use scheme. If you do have any questions about this vehicle, please don't hesitate to contact us and we'll be very happy to help. We do offer flexible financial options, and part exchange is very welcome also. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you very shortly.